Chet, why do you lay down and go to sleep? You lay down, Pickles. You lay down.
Naughty Boy featuring Arrow Benjamin.
This is BBC Radio 1.
It's like a small kid, put him in a car and he's like, I'm dead. Oh.